Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with a protective style personality unit, aka wig, and I am absolutely loving the color of this unit. Perfect for winter. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a My First Wig wig. It's been a minute since I shared a My First Wig unit here on my channel. Looks like they changed the packaging, and you do get a wig sleeve here, perfect for traveling and storing your wig, some wig caps, and it did come with this wig kit that comes with a cute little pouch, these alligator clips for installing your wig, and this really cute comb that I love. I have a lot of these and I love them so much. So yes, this is a My First wig. This is the silky texture in 20 inches. And the color is light brown as far as the lace goes. And the lace itself is a Swiss lace, okay? And the hair itself feels really good. The transition is really nice too, which I appreciate. It has a nice soft transition from the darker roots to the brown color hair, and it is some kind of like face framing color around the face. So that is super cute to add some color for the winter time. So like I said before, this is Swiss lace and the lace is light brown. But to me, when I looked at the wig a bit more, the lace did appear to be bleached. And I'm going to show you in a minute. So the hairline looks a bit pre-plucked just a little bit, but of course you can tweeze that a bit more for your liking for a more customized natural look. And I really appreciated this lace because, you know, I'm darker and sometimes I would struggle with lace looking good on me, especially in the past, but I've been practicing, okay, I've been practicing. So, you know, a moment ago I was like, oh, this lace looks a bit bleached. So this is what I'm talking about right here. To me, that looks bleached a little bit. And so I did have to go in and later and fix a few things. So this wig does have an adjustable elastic strap so you can, you know, make sure that your wig stays nice and secure and even more flat, okay? And it does have 3 combs for extra security and adjustable straps in the back. And I do like they have this additional loop to make sure that your straps stay nice in place. So the transition in the back underneath was kind of harsh, but that's at the nape. You won't be able to see it. So this is what I was talking about earlier, what I had to fix. So I did appreciate that the lace was really nice and thin, so I knew I wasn't going to have too many problems, but the knots look a bit over bleached when I put them on. So later on, I do fix that too, and I am going to actually put on some foundation on the lace just to help mask some of that. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty. My foundation color is 420. So I'm just going to put this all over the front of the wig. So the front half is all lace there. And I did flat iron the wig. I use 410 degrees on this wig. I use my KeraCare in sections when I flat iron. And of course I use my very favorite hairspray, the Sebastian Shaper Plus, to tame, you know, flyaways and to style it in the front area. So the quality of this hair was really nice. I did wash and condition the hair prior to flat ironing it, and the quality of the hair is really, really nice. I didn't notice any bleeding when I washed the hair or anything. The hair is really soft. I didn't have any tangles, and it was long from, you know, the lace to the ends. There wasn't anything choppy, and it flat ironed amazing. The ends were nice and smooth, and that's like what I look for when it comes to hair on wigs. So everything is looking really good. There wasn't too many flyaways with this wig that I noticed, which is a big, big plus. So that was really nice. And that let me know that, you know, it's quality. So, but these knots are a bit over bleached. So we're going to fix that later. So, you know, I have this bob. I'm not braiding in my hair right now because it's just too much. So I just put my hair in a low bun, which was a bit of a struggle because my hair is shorter. And I'm going to use my own wig cap, which is a bit darker. I'm not going to use the bald cap method because I don't plan on keeping this wig on for an extended amount of time. I just keep my wigs on for a cute few hours and take them right off at night because I don't sleep in my wigs. So around my hairline, I am going to remove just a little bit of my makeup because I want the lace to adhere to my skin when I put the adhesive on. And I'm going to put a little bit of the foundation onto the wig cap too, just to help it. And so we're just going to pop this bad boy on. And I'm really liking how the wig has been colored. It's really cute. I've never had a wig that had kind of like face framing color around the hairline. So me applying that foundation to the lace really helped out a lot. And I actually did cut into the lace a little bit just to make it for an easier install when I do go to cut the lace. So it was pretty easy cutting the lace. And the wig fit really well. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too small. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut the other side. And so far, everything is looking okay as far as how the lace is looking. Because what I would run into in the past is the lace reflecting off of my lighting and off of flash photography. So putting the foundation on really helps with that issue for me. And also putting foundation on the lace to match my skin and my makeup when I have it on. So we're going to go ahead and, bond this together. Okay, I'm going to use this Wig Dealer Wig Spray Adhesive. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the hairline because, like I said before, I don't plan on wearing this for days at a time. I just plan on having it on for a few hours to be cute. So I just spray up a couple pumps. Use the end of the My First Wig comb to press in. And just being really gentle around the hairline. And I am going to take a little bit of the ORS Grip Gel. And I'm just going to put this on the edges where I may see any lifting. And I know my application is a little bit sloppy, but I'm taking one step at a time because I've improved on melting lace like a lot. I've been practicing. So I am going to use a stocking and I'm going to let that sit on there, tie it in the back, let that sit for about 10-20 minutes. And to fix that over bleached knots, I am going to use this Garnier Retouch. And I'm just going to put this on a small edge control brush. And I'm actually going to press in, creating a thinner part. So it'll be more natural looking because this was giving Grand Canyon. And girl, no, we don't want that. So I wanted to take in the parting a bit so it looks a bit more natural. And so that worked out for me. And I'm done with that. And so I did let that sit on for a little bit. And I'm pretty pleased with how this is turning out. And to get rid of some of the residue, I did wipe off and put a little bit of foundation on the brush and mask that. And I'm going to use some Sebastian Shaper Plus just to finish off the top area, make sure everything is nice and neat how I like it. And so far, I'm really satisfied with this install. I've been practicing. I've improved. I've gotten a lot better with melting lace. I still have a little ways to go. But overall, I'm really satisfied with this wig. And it's super pretty, super soft. This is 20 inches. I am 4'11", so this was a pretty nice length for me. I don't like hair any much longer than this. And the hair just feels really good. It's really nice, very, very shiny. And I don't have any problems with it so far. And I've gotten tons of compliments when I wear this out. It's just perfect color for the winter time and the holidays. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. The stats on this wig is down in the description below. And look how much body it has. It has so much movement. It's not stiff. Nowhere. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out more of my videos here on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you later.